Hello, and thank you to those of you who've reached out with questions about mindfulness and comments. I love discussing these things and sometimes taking a while to ponder and research. Well, I received a question from someone on social media that asked, "What is the opposite of mindfulness?" And I was like, that's interesting to think about. So, first of all, I guess we'd have to think about what mindfulness is. So, mindfulness is paying attention to our present moment experience without judgment. So, if that's what mindfulness is, then I guess the opposite of mindfulness would be not being in the present moment experience, right? Either future tripping, and perhaps that entails worrying about something that may or may not happen in the future, or perhaps ruminating about something that happened in the past. So that could be an opposite. Another important part of mindfulness is the non-judgmental part, right? So in mindfulness, we can observe anything that's in our experience of senses or thoughts or emotions. We can observe those things, noticing them, but not having to get carried away by them or stuck in a story about what they mean or letting them get bigger and bigger and bigger. We can just notice what's arising for us. And if we do notice ourselves judging, we don't want to judge ourselves for the judging. We're all human after all. So, what's the opposite of mindfulness? I'd say not being in the present moment and judging ourselves and others. There are many more facets of that, but I would say that's what it is in a nutshell. Please feel free to reach out with any mindfulness related questions or comments. Thank you for honoring yourself with the self-care of mindfulness.